Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. In yesterday's class, we have seen multiplication tricks with 100, less than 100 and above 100. In this class, I am going to explain you the tricks with 11. That is, any number of digits when multiplied with 11, we can solve it in less than 10 seconds. I am going to show you how. And before getting into the video, I would like to explain you about the mock tests we are providing. We are providing mock tests for both SSC, CGL and CHSL. Both 199 each, and we are also providing 2 free mocks for both the examinations. Please do visit our website craku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And let us see the first one now. The first one is 17 into 11. How I am going to solve is 7 into 1 is 7 in the units place and 1 into 1 is 1, write it here. So now this 1 and 7, add 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, that is 8, write it in the middle. Therefore, the answer is 187. This is the simplest trick. This is applicable for 2 digit, 3 digit, even 12 digit. I am going to solve the 12 digit question also at the end. So please watch till the end. And I'm going to show you the cross verification, like 17 into 11. 11 sevens is 77 and 11 ones is 11. So 11 plus 7 is 18. Therefore, the answer is 187 in both the cases. Please do learn this trick. This is very much easy and helpful for your examinations. Okay. Let us see the next one now. It is 26 into 11. 26 into 11. That is 6 ones is 6 and 2 ones is 2. Like 6 ones is 6, write it in the units place, and 2 ones is 2 right here. 6 plus 2 is 8, so put it in the middle. The answer is 286. That's it. It's very much easy and we can do it very fast. And I'm going to show you the next one. 78 into 11. 8 ones is 8 in the units place, 7 ones is 7 here, 8 plus 7 is 15. Now what to do? Here comes the problem, like we should not write it as 15 like how we did in the previous case. This is wrong. The answer will be 7, 8 and this 15, you 1 carry and 5 here. The final answer will be 8, 5, 7 plus 1 is 8. The answer is 858. Okay, I'll explain you again so that it will be very much clear for you. 78 into 11. 8 ones is 8 in the units place, 7 ones is 7 at the starting, and 7 plus 8, we are adding these two numbers. 7 plus 8 is 15, so 1 carry 5 here. The final answer will be 8, 5 and 7 plus 1 is 8, 858. Okay, regarding this I am going to give you 2 homework problems. That is 56 into 11 and 99 into 11. Please do solve these questions and answer me in the comment box, and so that it will be like a challenge for you. Let us see how many people will answer this. Now I am going to tell you the 3-digit number trick. That is 123 into 11. How to solve this? Let us see how to solve this. 3 ones is 3. And 1 ones is 1, like 3 ones is 3, write it in the units place as how we did in the previous one, and 1 ones is 1, right at the starting. Now you have to add like this, see 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 1353. Let's cross verify it. Yeah, 123 into 11. 11 3s is 33. 11 2s is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25 and 11 ones is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. The answer is same in both the cases. Okay, I think you are clear with this, and let us see the one more problem similar to this to let go your confusion. 187 into 11. 187 into 11. 7 into 1 is 7 in the units place. 1 into 1 is 1 at the start. Now you are adding the numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9. But 8 plus 7 is 15. So what to do? 1 carry and 5 here. So the answer will be 9 plus 1 is 10 again. So now again you have to carry. You should not write 10 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 2057. I hope you are clear with this. I am going to give you one homework problem regarding this 3-digit multiplication. Let us see the homework problem. That is 156 into 11. 156 into 11. Try solving this and answer me in the comment box. Okay. We have seen 2-digit multiplication and 3-digit multiplication. Now we will see 4-digit multiplication. 1534 into 11. 1534 into 11. So 4 ones is 4 in the units place and 1 ones is 1 at the start. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore, the answer is 16874. Let us see the next one now. 1756 into 11. Six ones is 6 in the units place, 1 ones is 1 at the start and 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 1 carry 2 here and 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 carry 1 here. So now the final answer will be 6, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1 as it is. Therefore, the answer is 19316. The answer for the product of 1756 and 11 is 19316. And I am going to give you a homework problem, that is 1824 into 11. Let us see how many people will solve this. Please give your answer in the comment box. Okay. Now we will see the next level problems, that is 5-digit numbers. 15342 into 11. 15342 into 11. 2 ones is 2 in the units place. 1 ones is 1 at the start. Now adding the numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 168762. These are seeming very easy. Why the trick is similar for 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, all n number of digits, but why I am explaining like with every digit taking the examples, because the inner multiplication you might get confused. So I am explaining you with every example, like every type, and please try to solve these questions. These are very much helpful for you, and never forget these tricks. Okay. Let us see the next one now. The next one is 18756. 18756 into 11. So the answer will be 6 ones is 6 in the units place, 1 ones in 1 at the start. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 7 is 15, so 1 carry 5 here, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry 2 here, and 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 carry 1 here. So the answer will be 6, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 10. So never write 10 here and 1 like this. This will be the wrong answer. You have to write it as 9 plus 1, 10, carry 0, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer will be 206316. Okay, never do this. Never, never, never. Okay. I am going to give you a homework problem with this 5-digit number also. Let us see the homework problem. That is 19356 into 11. 19356 into 11. Please do solve this and give your answer in the comment box. Okay. Now let's see the next one. That is with 8-digit number. 187598842 into 11. 2 ones 2 in the units place and 1 ones 1 at the start, similar to any number of digits. Now add it. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 1 carry 5 down. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry 2 down. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry 4 down. And 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 carry 7 down. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry 2 down, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Do not forget to add this, okay. Many make the mistake at this place. Do not forget to add the last two digits also. Now the answer will be 206,358,262. This is the answer when we multiply 187,59842 into 11. Okay. Like I'm going to give you a homework problem in this model, that is 18212671 into 11. Try solving this. When you try solving the this is not like high level problem, like many digit problem. You will be practiced to it, and it will be very much like easy for you in the examination to solve it in a very less time. Okay. This is your homework problem. And now we are going to see 12 digit number. Let's solve this question now. It is 19827586259 into 11. As how I have said, like in the first trick onwards, it is 4 ones 4 in the units place, and 1 into 1 is 1 at the start. And now let's add the numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry and 0. 8 plus 9 is 17, 1 carry, 7 here. 8 plus 2 is 10, again 1 carry, 0 here. And 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 1 carry, 2 here. And 8 plus 5 is 13, so 1 carry, 3 here. 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carry, 4 here. 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 carry 4 here, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So 1 carry 3 here. Do not forget to add the last two numbers. Okay. And now getting the final answer, it is 4 and it is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. Do not write 10 here. Again take it as carry. 1, 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 218,103,4488534. Okay, this is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5, 9 into 11. Okay, this is your homework problem. Please do solve all these homework problems and write it in the comment box, so that it will boost your confidence that you are able to solve these questions. And put a timer, like don't use calculator, and use only 10 seconds to solve these questions, or less than 10 seconds, so that it will be like a practice for you, and you can create your own questions and practice with this. It's not a big deal. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope these tricks are very much helpful for you in your examinations, like in banking or in SSC, or there is a time constraint. We get simplification problems in both the examinations, but solving these questions in less time is the main task there. So please learn all these tricks, and thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And for any queries you can ask me in the comment section. And last but not the least, and please do download SSC, CGL and CHSL papers from our website cracku.in, and enroll for the mocks we are providing for SSC, CGL and CHSL, which are 199 each, and also we are providing 2 free mocks for both the exams. Taking mock test improves your score and also boosts your confidence. Never neglect to take the mock test, and thank you.